Hey y'all, so welcome back. So the company, the Braid Factory, sent me 2 units to review for you all. All right, so these units are handcrafted, they're sewn by hand, and it's 2 different styles that they sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how it looks. But first, let's get into this bag. Like, this is so cute. I love, love, love how it has the logo on there and it has their name and everything, as well as their social medias. So A+ for packaging. All right, like I said, they sent me 2 styles for you all. And this one, the first one is, they got them packaged. So this first one is, the wig name is Lisa. The length is 20 to 22 inches. It is in the color 1, which is a black. The cap size is a medium, and it has a 6x6 lace closure. All right, so this one right here, oh, she is cute. So she has the cornrows on top, as well as the individual braids in the back. Oh man, she is cute, cute, cute. And that braid across the top right here, this is the baby hairs. All right, so this is how the inside of Lisa looks. It has that 6x6 closure, and it also has the adjustable band in it to where you can adjust it to the size of your head. Like so, you can make it loose or you can make it tight. But this right here is bomb. I love that. And like I said, this was in the package, so the hair, it just needs to fall some. That's where you see like the little dips. But if you want, you can actually dip the ends in some hot water and it should relax some, get out those indentations. But this is crafted very well. I'm gonna hold it close so you all can see how well they sewed those, not sewed, but how well they actually French braided those braids. Very, very nice. Okay, and then it just says thank you, and it says order Miss Wu Glam. All right, and let's get into the next style. All right, so this one is called Trina. The length is butt length, so that means that these are long. And the color is a number 1 in a 99J ombre, cap size medium, and it has a 2x6 lace closure. Okay, now I do believe with this one, I think they asked me what colors I wanted, and I told them the 99J. I guess when I hold it to the light, you can see it. I'm just used to the 99J being very, very burgundy. But like I said, when I hold it up close to the ring light, I can see the burgundy. But I just thought that it would have had more of a powerful impact of red. But it still looks pretty to me. All right, and as you all can see, these are twists actually, not braids. They're twists. And some people call them zillions. I call them micros. But that's how this looks. And this is handcrafted very well. And that's that 2x6 closure. And then it has the adjustable strap as well. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to try this one on first. Let me get that stock card pulled out. It looked like it fell off anyway. But let me get this cut and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so now I have Trina on, and as you all can see, I do have on my wig cap underneath. I put some foundation on it so that it's close to my skin color as possible. But this is how she looks, and y'all, this hair, this is a lot of twists. I ain't gonna even hold you, this is a lot, but she is beautiful. And she is definitely giving long, all right? So look how clean that part is. I love, love, love that. All right. Now, like I said, this is a 2x6 closure. So it doesn't have a lot of scalp. As you all can see, if I open it, then you just see cap. So like I said, it doesn't have a lot of scalp. So this particular unit is made to just wear down the center. You can't really pull her up in a ponytail or in a top knot or anything like that. Now, I was thinking though, if you're not a big fan of the middle part, then you definitely can shift her and you'll have a side part. It's all into whatever you're into. It's up to you. Okay, but if I was to wear this probably would be my choice, which will be the middle part. And I'm actually going to grab some hairspray to get that tack down, and then I'm gonna cut the lace so you all can see how it looks. So let me grab the shears and holding spray, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I clipped the lace off camera only because I needed to look directly in the mirror. So I did clip that little lace off camera. All right, so now I'm just gonna put them shears down. I'm gonna take the hairspray and I spray a little on my forehead beforehand, and then now I'm just spraying some on the lace, and then I'm just gonna take my lace band and I'm gonna hold it on there for about 10 minutes and I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, so the lace is dry and I'm just taking a little powder, just putting it right there in the front, and this is how she looks, y'all. So she is giving a lot but in a good way, Now, what I will say is she is on the heavy side, so if you are a lady that's not really into like a lot of weight with the wigs, then I would not recommend this. Like I said, it is kind of getting heavy. No, I would not wear this as an everyday unit. This will probably be on the go type of unit. If I'm running errands and I need to put something on my head, then I'll definitely wear that. She could be a content unit if you are a content creator and you want to shoot your photos, then she'll be perfect for that as well. And she's good especially for the upcoming winter season. If you're looking for something to wear to keep your head warm, then this will be a good unit. Me myself personally, like I said, I would not rock this as an everyday unit only because of how heavy it is, but I love, love, love how they constructed this wig. All right, so let's try on the next one. I have the second unit on, and this is how the unit looks. I will say that this unit feels lighter. It's way lighter than the last unit. Okay, but this is how it looks. All right, now I was thinking if maybe I should have probably sprayed it with some tint spray, because this does have a little bit more lace, but I didn't want the tint spray to get on the actual braids, so I kind of was like but yeah, that is an option for you. Okay, now like I said, this braid right here is the baby hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that unbraided. All right, y'all, so I got the braid undone and I'm just spraying the lace down, because as you all recall, this unit had more lace than the last unit. So that is what I am doing. And then I'm gonna put the band on there. Okay, y'all, so I have the lace melted. All right, and I'm just going over it with my powder, but this is how the unit is looking. I got a little powder on the braid, but that's okay. But y'all, this is how it's looking so far. Okay, this is really, really cute. And now all I'm gonna do is just trim and style the little baby hairs on the unit. If you are not a fan of baby hairs, then you can clip those away. But yeah, but I'm gonna style mine. Okay, ladies, so I am done with my edges, and I just did the basic swoops, nothing too major. And I'm just spraying a little glosser on it because it was packaged up, and I'm just spraying some on there to bring some shine back to the unit. But this is how it is looking. Now, out of both units, this will probably be the one that I will wear the most, only because I feel like it'll work with my lifestyle a little bit more, because it's not as heavy and it's not as full as the first one. But don't get me wrong, I will wear the first one as well, but not like I will probably wear this one. All right. So ladies, if you are feeling this, then I want you to reach out to them. I also was thinking, like with that first one, how I kind of shifted to the side. I probably eventually will try this this unit being shifted to the side, just to see what it will give. But yeah, that was just a thought that just popped in my head. So like I was saying, if you're feeling them, then definitely hit up the Braid Factory. I want to thank you for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.